Hi. Good morning, I should say. It's Tuesday at around 8 o'clock in the morning. The calm before the storm. This is what the backyard looks like at 8 o'clock in the morning. We should be getting it start snowing a little bit. But the big stuff I think is going to happen tonight. Or this late this afternoon. So I should be back later with another video and pictures. Or I'll do another video of the front and then I'll be back later. Yeah, this is what the front looks like. It has a little more snow than the back, so I just swept off. We'd probably be doing that a lot. This is at the front. Blowing snow. So that's the front as of 8 o'clock this morning. See you later.